In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Passwords and Security. Then click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Now read the disclaimers and instructions, click on Start and tap on Next after 5 seconds. Remember to keep your face in frame. Finally, you can name your face data however you want to. Click on Done, adjust all of those options and tap on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!